Now I will talk about how to install Power BI. To install Power BI, you should be very sure that what is the version satisfaction and as well as what are the requirements. The version should be minimum of 32 bits and as well as the minimum requirements that your Windows should be 7 or the latest version. So if you want to install Power BI, you can click on this particular link. Once you click on this link, it will redirect to the platform where we can download the Power BI. So you can see there is an option called download now. If you click on this, it will redirect to the Microsoft Store. You can see here, for me, I already downloaded Power BI. So it is option called open. For you, it will be an option called get. So you can click on get and there is few clicks that you can do for installation of your Power BI.